If someone does try to bully you, there are things you can do to stop it. The first is to stand up straight, make eye contact with the bully, and tell him or her in a calm, clear voice to stop. Don't ask questions. Instead, use short statements. And if you know the person, use his name when you speak to him. The second is to laugh it off as a joke. This works best if joking comes naturally to you. Also, it's best to make your funny response about an object, or even yourself, instead of insulting the person who's bullying you. That could make the situation worse. If you don't feel safe speaking up, leave the scene as quickly as you can and stay away. Then tell a trusted adult. If the bullying continues after you've tried one or more of these techniques, talk to a parent, teacher, or another adult. If you see someone else being bullied, you can use the same techniques that we just talked about to stand up for them. If you know someone who has been bullied, make an extra effort to be kind. Help that person feel included in your group of friends. It's important that a victim of bullying doesn't feel alone. Whenever you witness bullying, talk to an adult about it. Keeping quiet can make the situation worse.